Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, October 5th. I want to look beyond October 5th, and I want to look at October 14th. That's the day after the close that Netflix reports earnings. Okay. Last couple times they've reported earnings, been right around here. That's worked out well, not just for folks who bought on the news, in other words, bought the top of the gap, but it worked out great for those that were holding the stock into the earnings. By the way, didn't work out so great the quarter before, but essentially look at the track record here. Boom, 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 and that was a 7-for-1 stock split. Now the stock's above the 7-for-1 area, above $100, and looking like it's moving higher. I think this stock is starting to repeat what has happened before, moved up into earnings. Here even a little bit, but that's a week. But moved up here into earnings, moved up here into earnings. Now this is starting to move up into earnings. I don't know whether this is a stock that you want to hold over earnings, but I feel pretty strongly about this, and I don't have a position, but by this time tomorrow, that will have changed. I think this is a stock that you want to own going into earnings. You're buying it here. If the stock's up here, certainly if you're into options, your options are going to have doubled by the time the stock's here. You sell half and then let the other half ride, let them stay on the old felt table and see what happens. But Netflix works right here. Coming out of this squeeze, I think this rally is assuming the market plays along with us. I think this stock's going to continue to rally for a bit, so I want you to be there. Also, I'm going to say this to everybody. Members, non-members, you can come too if you want. We are having our annual Stock Market Mentor, Option Market Mentor picnic. And that will be on Saturday, October 17th in Central Park at the Strawberry Fields area. I don't know exactly what time it is. I seriously don't. But, and again, that's not this coming Saturday, but the following Saturday at Strawberry Fields in Central Park. Love to see you there. Typically, those are some pretty cool gatherings where we just get to sit around, shoot the breeze, and I get to know members on a level other than just a handle. And that's always fun for me. So I hope that you'll attend. We will be sending you guys out more information, but definitely if you can make it, please do so. We do this every year. I'm specifically flying back for that picnic. I always do. I make a point to fly back for that picnic. I'll always wind up doing other things to get it done, to make the trip, let's just say, a little more productive. So I'm going to be doing a Wall Street week with Anthony Scaramucci on the following week and a few other things. But I'm definitely coming back for that picnic, and I want to see you there.